Hey everyone, is your American Express gift card not working? Don't worry, here are quick steps to get it sorted out and working like a charm. First of all, ensure your gift card is activated. Check the back of the card for instructions for or call the activation number to verify. Next, register your card. Go to the website list go to the website listed on the back of the card and enter your card details. This steps is essential for online purchases. Still not working? Double check the billing information. Use the exact address you registered with your gift card. It must match perfectly. And there you go. Your card should now work smoothly. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more quick fixes.